Hey, this is Drew Page. Welcome to the Drew Page channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the update that we got last night about the Academy claiming that they asked Will Smith to leave after the slap incident involving Chris Rock and his refusal to do so, and what the legal implications of that could be for him as well as potentially for the Academy. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know if there are any other topics that you'd like. I can't promise that I'll do everything that I hear, but I'll definitely look into as many things as I can, and even give you the free turtle wax shine that somebody mentioned. So anyway, last night the Board of Governors met for the Academy to discuss disciplinary proceedings about Will Smith's incident. And I did not see where any discipline was taken. I understand that that Will Smith has an opportunity to respond, I believe, by April 18th. But it did come out that apparently the Academy claims that they approached Will Smith and asked him to leave, and he refused. The New York Times has an article about that that broke last night. And in the article, the Academy says this: "Things unfolded in a way we could not have anticipated. While we would like to clarify that Mr. Smith was asked to leave the ceremony and refused, we also recognize we could have handled the situation differently." They are acknowledging that they have some potential liability here, whether they know it or not, by them saying they could have handled things differently, like providing extra security, not allowing people to just walk up on the stage no matter who they are without it already being scripted or planned or prepared. They have liability here. There's no question about that. And if Chris Rock decides he wants to pursue that, I don't think he will, but if he does, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to be able to talk to you about that. But at any rate, what we do see, though, is that by their refusal to leave, it opens up additional potential criminal and civil liability to Will Smith. So California Penal Code Section 602 sets out the elements for criminal trespass. And the one that is relevant to this situation is Paragraph O. Paragraph O makes it a criminal trespass for refusing or failing to leave the property lawfully occupied by another and not open to the general public upon being requested to leave by the owner, the owner's agent, or the person in lawful possession. So here we have a claim by the Academy that they asked Will Smith, as the lawful possessors of the facility, to leave, and that he refused to leave after making that demand. If that's true, it is possible that Will Smith has committed a criminal trespass. It is also likely that if these elements are met on a civil standard, that he could potentially be civilly liable. Now, is that likely? The answer is probably not. And here's the reason why. Why 2 days after are they bringing this information out? I mean, they knew the uproar even on Sunday night about the incident that people had in regards to the assault that was committed against Chris Rock. So would it have made sense for that information to have been made known then? Why wait until the Board of Governors meeting on a Wednesday to say that? Plus, out of all of the videos that I have seen in regards to the incident, I've seen the unedited video, which I shared in my previous couple videos on this subject, that shows the assault. And I've also seen a video of Will Smith being consoled by Denzel Washington, Bradley Cooper, and that's all been well known. But where's the video of them claiming that they asked Will Smith to leave and he refused? Is there a video? If there is, I haven't seen it. If you know where it is, please point it in my direction. Put a link in the comments, please, and I will look at that. But I have not seen yet a video where they have said that they asked him to leave and refused. Now, if the Academy is lying about this, they could be potentially liable for a defamation or slander suit, which is where they are accusing Will Smith of committing a crime, which in most states is defamation per se, if they in fact did not do this and they're just doing this to save face or whatever, they could be potentially liable by Will Smith for these comments. There's some other witnesses to this. Haven't seen any witnesses that they've done this. All that we have is the statement of the Academy saying that they asked him to leave, he refused, and that they could have handled it differently. Now, they're probably doing this because they have seen all of your comments about the fact that the Academy should be held liable for not protecting Chris Rock, and that may be the case. But it's a far stretch to accuse somebody of committing criminal offenses if they did not in fact commit those offenses, and now it's been broadcasted to the public. So anyway, there's a possibility that that's there. So wanted to throw that out there. I'd be interested in your comments. Do you think that this is true, first and foremost, that they asked Will Smith to leave and he refused? Do you think that he should be prosecuted not just for the assault, but also for a criminal trespass? Or do you think that the Academy is just covering themselves and that they're making this up? So please put in the comments, let me know what you think. Again, I'm Attorney Drew Page. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, hit the notification bell, and until next time, stay tuned.